There are places on Earth where a single wrong step could become the last step of your life. In some places, people must climb steep and dangerous mountains just to return home. In others, entire communities are stranded in the middle of the sea. Some survive in freezing temperatures, some endure poisonous air, while others live completely isolated from the rest of the world. Here, danger is not an unusual event, it is simply a part of everyday life. Yet people continue to survive, adapting to places where living itself seems almost impossible. These are the most dangerous settlements on Earth. Let's begin. Ganvier, Benin. There is no solid ground here, no streets, no flat land. Floating on the muddy waters of Lake Nakove in West Africa is the magical city of Ganvier. Imagine an entire town standing on thousands of wooden and bamboo stills driven deep into the lake bed. Children learn to paddle canoes before they even learn to walk. Brightly painted boats serve as floating markets where Tofinu women sell everything from fresh fish to daily necessities. But life on the water is far from peaceful. When salty ocean water enters the lake, fish populations decline dramatically. During powerful storms, the aging wooden stills shake violently after years of constant exposure to water, making it feel as though the entire city could disappear beneath the waves at any moment. Shinu's White Cliff Store, China. High above the ground, attached to a vertical red cliff, hangs a tiny wooden shop. This isn't fiction. It's the Shinu's White Cliff Store in China's Hunan province. One mistake here means certain death. Suspended by safety ropes, brave workers serve exhausted climbers every day, not for profit but simply to provide relief. A bottle of water costs only about 30 cents and every transaction literally takes place in midair. Darya Boy, China. In the middle of the deadly Taklamakan desert where endless sand and unbearable heat dominate the landscape lies an extraordinary village. Surrounded by ancient golden poplar trees, Darya Boy is like a hidden treasure. Despite violent sandstorms and extreme temperature swings between day and night, its people have survived for centuries by relying on underground water from the final reaches of a disappearing river. Their traditions remain unchanged, baking bread beneath hot sand and beginning each morning with salty milk tea. Baoshan Stone City. Imagine a city carved almost entirely from a single massive rock. Welcome to Baoshan Stone City, home of the ancient Naxi people. Walls, beds, kitchens, pillars, even bathtubs have all been carved directly from stone. Surrounded by steep cliffs on three sides, supplies still arrive only on the backs of people and mules. Rather than fighting nature, the villagers have mastered it. Frying Pan Tower, USA. Standing alone in the rough Atlantic Ocean is Frying Pan Tower. Located off North Carolina's dangerous coastline, the steel structure overlooks waters that have swallowed hundreds of ships over the centuries. After decades of relentless saltwater exposure, the tower has rusted badly. Its deck is damaged and its railings are unstable. One wrong step at night could send you straight into the violent Atlantic below. There are no stairs leading up from the boat. Instead, visitors must ride a swinging hose through powerful ocean winds just to reach the platform. Atulair Village, China. 5G signals may have reached this village, but getting home is still a deadly challenge. Residents climb nearly 2,500 steel steps attached to a vertical mountainside. Before this staircase was built, villagers spent over 3 hours climbing fragile wooden ladders. With slopes reaching nearly 90 degrees, one slip means falling into a seemingly endless abyss. Abuna Yamatago, Ethiopia. Do you have the courage to pray while staring death in face? Pushed 80,000 feet above sea level, Abuna Yamatago is considered one of the world's most dangerous churches. There are no stairs and ropes. Visitors must climb sheer sandstone cliffs using only their hands and feet. Inside lie priceless ancient manuscripts written on goatskin. To this day, nobody truly knows how these treasures were carried to such impossible heights centuries ago. Itokokto, meet Greenland. At the very edge of civilization lies one of Earth's most isolated communities. For nearly 9 months every year, surrounding seas freeze solid, cutting the village off from the outside world. Fewer than 350 people live here, surrounded by endless ice fields and towering black mountains. There are more sled dogs than humans. As climate change melts, the Arctic hungry polar bears increasingly wander into the settlement. For that reason, residents never lock their doors, so anyone can run inside for safety during an emergency. Sanmenxia, underground village, China. From above, it looks like an ordinary field, but beneath the surface lies an entire hidden city. In Henan province, more than 100,000 underground courtyard homes have been dug 20 to 23 feet below ground. Each courtyard contains a tree, serving as a natural landmark to prevent people from accidentally falling into the hidden entrances. This remarkable underground tradition has survived for 4,000 years. Ki Monastery, India. Standing at 13,400 feet in the cold Himalayan desert, Ki Monastery resembles a white pyramid rising from the mountains. Built like a fortress to defend against ancient invaders, the monastery contains narrow corridors, ancient murals, handwritten manuscripts, and centuries of spiritual history. Time itself seems frozen within its walls. Blackash Tekke Bosnia on Herzegovina. Nestled beneath a 656-foot cliff beside one of Europe's most powerful natural streams stands a 16th century Blackash Tekke. Every second, over 43,000 liters of crystal clear water surge from the cave. Floods and rockfalls have repeatedly threatened the monastery for centuries, yet somehow it continues to stand. Larungar, China. At 13,100 feet, thousands of small red wooden cabins spread across a remote mountain valley. This is Larungar, once the world's largest Tibetan Buddhist academy. Although authorities later reduced the settlement and restricted outside access, its breathtaking landscape still resembles another world. Longyear Base in Svalbard. This is one of the few places on Earth where polar bears outnumber humans. Around 3,000 polar bears share the region with only about 2,400 residents. Anyone leaving town must carry a rifle for protection. For 4 months each year, the sun never sets. For another 4 months, darkness never ends. But today, Longyear Basin faces a new threat. As global warming melts the ancient permafrost beneath the town, the once frozen ground is becoming unstable. At any moment, parts of the settlement could collapse.